Hello, I'm Steve Staniford, Dean of the Butler University Lacy School of Business. Here at the Lacy School of Business, we believe that where a student learns is as important as what a student learns. That's why we're excited about our new home for the Lacy School of Business. Through creative learning environments that connect students to industry, we will enhance our programs and better equip Lacy students with the skills to succeed in today's ever-changing society. Join me to explore our innovative space. Every great city deserves a great university that is home to a world-class business school. The Lacy School of Business is destined to be that school. Join us as we build a new standard for business education and community engagement at the Butler Lacy School of Business. Thank you in advance for your support.